Hey, it's Wes and welcome to DinkLife. Today we wanted to talk about which cell phone carriers offer free calling and data around Canada in the Niagara Falls area. Up next. So in Canada, at&t, T-Mobile, and Verizon all offer free calling, texting, and data while in Canada as long as your phone is in roaming mode. If you don't have one of these carriers, be sure to check with your carrier before traveling to Canada. So how do you turn on roaming on your phone so it'll work in Canada? Here's how. For iPhone, go to Settings. Look for Cellular. Go to Cellular Data Options. Then turn Data Roaming on. You can easily turn roaming off the same way when you get back home. And now for a warning. Even though you can use your cell phone in Canada, be warned that it can be very slow at sometimes. It's not going to be the same speed you at home. It's going to be a little lower tier. And then if you're in very busy areas around like Niagara Falls or like a busy area in Toronto, sometimes the cellular can be very unreliable for American customers. Well, I hope this video helps you next time you travel to Canada to use your cell phone. And as always, whatever you decide to do, just get out there and do it.